How to lose belly fat in 2 weeks. Belly fat can be visceral or subcutaneous. The visceral kind surrounds your organs, while the subcutaneous, under the skin type, is the kind that you can grab. While neither is good, the former puts you at a higher risk of insulin resistance, which eventually leads to diabetes if unchecked, cardiovascular disease, stroke, and certain kinds of cancer. So, while you may have a more immediate and aesthetically motivated goal to blast that pooch, keep in mind that shedding pounds around your middle is, above all, healthy and not just pretty to look at. To get you started on how to lose belly fat in 2 weeks and keep it off longer, follow this advice. 1. Focus on high-fiber foods. High-fiber foods work to fill you up faster and keep you fuller longer. Eating more fiber will help you to eat less during meals, as well as snack less. Foods high in fiber include whole wheat products, avocados, legumes, leafy greens, flaxseed, and apples. 2. Ditch the sugary beverages. Sugary drinks like sodas, sweetened tea, and fruit juices easily add a lot of empty calories. Eliminate this calorie load by switching sugary drinks out for water, flavored water, sparkling water, or unsweetened teas. Diet sodas are hardly better. Although they don't contain the same calorie content as standard sodas and juices, they do contain sugars that send insulin levels up. Some of these sugars even confuse fat-burning hormones, not to mention that many have also been linked to cancer. Worse yet, research has also indicated that the sugar in diet sodas instigates cravings for sweets and fools people into thinking that they can eat more because they are saving on the calories in their drink. It's best to steer clear of all sodas, diet and otherwise, if you want to shed pounds fast. 3. De-stress to trim belly fat. Stress produces a hormone in the body known as cortisol. Cortisol works within the body to build up fat stores around the belly area, so cutting your stress level helps to eliminate fat buildup in the gut. If you work a stressful job, have a stressful commute, or just find yourself overwhelmed and stressed often, it's time to learn some techniques to deal with stress. This is both a fantastic short-term and long-term fix to the belly weight dilemma, so get your stress levels in check now. 4. Get moving. We all know that exercise helps to dramatically decrease weight. Adding an exercise regimen into your day is a great way to start seeing belly fat reduction results. But more than just getting some exercise into your routine, try to move more in general. Research shows that individuals who move more throughout the day burn more calories. Stand up during work for as long as you can. Walk around the office if you're thinking. Bounce your legs under your desk and stretch often. These are super simple ways to move a little more and get the most calorie burning potential, even when you can't actually get up and get into a full-blown exercise routine. 5. Eat. Don't binge or starve yourself. Eating is actually an important part of losing weight. While it may seem contradictory, there is a scientific basis for this concept. When you eat too little or starve yourself, your body will go into conservation mode and start to store fats instead of burn them. So the key is to eat smaller portions and consume healthy meals and snacks in order to truly kickstart your body into the weight loss mode. 6. Banish salty foods. Bodybuilders about to enter competition usually do 2 things 3 days before the event. Avoid salt and drink less water. Salt absorbs water and makes you feel bloated. Since you can't reduce your water intake to help process and move fiber faster, eliminate salty foods altogether if you want to keep your midsection from bulging. For many who wonder how to lose belly fat in 2 weeks and whether it's healthy or not, keep in mind that you should not lose more than a couple of pounds a week for a healthier outcome, at least after the first or second week of starting a weight loss program. Losing all of your subcutaneous fat in such a short time may pose serious health risks because you will be taking drastic measures to achieve your goal. So, if you need to fit into that little black dress, give your weight loss program a longer lead time.